Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a dataset with zero observation or an empty dataset. But before showing, I will create or I have created a library with the name empty because I'm going to store this dataset in this library. There are different ways by which you can create an empty or a dataset with zero observation, but basically in this video I'm going to show you 5 methods by which you can create an empty dataset. First we'll go one by one, and the first method uh, you can create a dataset by using the delete statement. So here I'm going to run this dataset where I'm creating a dataset by the name test in empty library and writing this delete statement here and running. Here we go. The second method is I'm going to create a dataset with the name check in the empty library and write a copy null state. Here we go. As you must be knowing that data null is a fictitious data set. We use this function data null, or you can create this data set data null to use macros or use some functions, but in actual you don't create a data set. So we are using the same thing here. What it's going to do here is that it's going to create a data set, but there will be no records in it. That is our main criteria. In the third step, or in the third method, we can create it by using the SQL statement proc SQL, where I'm creating a table first in the empty library, and I'm copying the structure or the variables from the table class. SAS help.class is a predefined table that comes with SAS, as everyone know. Here I am describing the structure of this newly created table first. So I'm going to run this table, and in the log I'm going to show you how the structure of this table look like. I have created the table first, which has variables name, sex, age, height and weight. This is being copied from the table SAS help.class, which has definitely observations, but it's just copying the structure of the table SAS the table class from the SAS help library. The fourth method is I will create a data set by the name temp in this empty library, and I'm going to write this stop statement. What it's going to do is that it will create one more table with zero observation. The fifth and the final method which I'm going to show is that I'm going to write or create a data set by the name ans in the empty library, and I'm going to write or input two variables a and b, and the cards I'm not going to put any values. If I put the values, then it will act as an observation, but here I'm not putting any values. I'm just keeping it blank after cards and running this. Here we go. We have created 5 data set with 0 observation, and we're going to see each of them one by one. I'm going to delete this because it will create a problem in creating a macro and deleting this table, the data part. So I'm going to delete this right now. The first again has the 0 observation. I'm going to delete this. And it's going to show this error because you are not supposed to open this. So we have created 5 data set in the library empty, where you have 0 observation in all the 5 data sets. What I'm going to do is now is, if we want to see all the data sets which has 0 observation, I'm going to write this statement proc SQL, select memory name, which is a column name. I have in this query number of observation, which is NOPS, number of variables, CR date is creation date from dictionary tables, where library name is empty and number of observation is 0. So when I run this, it's going to show us all the tables or data set which has 0 observation in structure and values. Number of observation is 0, number of variables is 2, and the creation date is 9 February 05. And then in the last part, what I'm going to do is that if you have so many data sets with 0 observation, or if you are in a situation where you have to delete data set with 0 observation and you don't know which are the data sets, but so you cannot go and find one by one, where you have so many data sets. So what you can do in this situation is write a macro where you can capture all the data set with 0 observation in a macro variable. So I'm going to show you how. You're going to write this statement proc SQL select memory name into del list, which is the macro variable separated by the from dictionary tables, where library name is empty and number of observation is 0. So it's going to capture all the data set in this macro. What I'm going to do is, the final step is that I will delete this macro so that all the tables captured in the macro variable will be deleted from the library. So now you can see in this empty library there are still 5 data set existing with 0 observation. So the final step, I'm going to use proc data set library is equal to empty row list, delete this macro variable del list, where all the tables or data set with 0 observation have been captured. And as soon as I run this, it gets deleted. As simple as that. If you see this query properly, we have mentioned 0 observation. Now in a data set, or sorry, in a situation where you want to, you can customize this. If you want to delete data set with 10 or more observation, or less than 10 observation, you can write a query accordingly and delete it at one go rather than doing it one by one. which will save your time. So I'm done with my video. If you have any suggestions, you can put your comments. I would be more than welcome. Thank you very much.